So, about your acting career, you chose to do a movie at the middle of your super successful singing career. I think at that time you were having hit after hits, and
चालू हुआ था तो हाँ
you were doing a lot of concerts. Is primary source of revenue for most of the musicians in the country, and it was a very difficult decision for you to leave that to go to a shooting schedule. I actually want you to share little details about the whole journey, how you decided to do acting.
मुंबई आने से पहले I had actually done this series in Bengali for a Bengal linear TV channel. So udhar I first day when they tried to audition, because my baba was a part of the industry and all that, so they thought that her face suits, and they also, it was for Indubala Devi, and she was like an iconic musician जो ठुमरी गाती थी and all that. So they also bonus था कि मैं classical
wanted somebody
गाती
who can
थी,
sing as well.
who can sing as well, yeah. And I was horrible in the first day, but then when they already knew that they thought, but then I think I bloomed, and for myself also, and the amount I loved facing camera, playing that character, I loved it. But still, I don't think I had the courage to pursue the struggle that I already at that point, I don't know how I figured out it will be more difficult. But somehow I think it was the energy. I think it was there in the universe and it had to come my way. You are correct. जब मैं मेरा career music का सब गाने हो ही रहते, because at that point of time the career was about playback recording artist for film songs. तो तब उसके बीच में, yes, this came by also because we were in a party and Nagesh sir saw, and he just auditioned because I had that also. तब ना वो series की वजह से मेरा training हो गया था. All the, because serials in such low budget but quality of production still very good because creative Bengalis and all, period based था, तो बहुत कुछ सीख गई थी. Like all the technicalities I had to learn as an actor, I learned in that whole series का phase. So Nagesh sir का वो Lakshmi came by me, and I never worked thinking this is going to make me famous. That has always been the case. Any project, it has to serve a purpose that is for me. It is not for other people. वो अगर अलग है वो अलग है. But so Lakshmi was also like that. Like I remember when the film and the poster had released, one of the biggest superstars at this point, of the heroes, one of the biggest heroes, and he's a wonderful guy. I won't take name. And he say, ऐसा face poster में डालेंगे, because there was no makeup, there was nothing, and at that point of time, nobody dared to do that. Why will you play a girl who has been molested and raped? That's basically was a myth that's going to ruin your acting career. You will not become a heroine. But that was never my agenda anyway. So
I remember लक्ष्मी के टाइम पे दो चीज मुझे पर्सनली याद है. एक तो मी यू एंड नागेश सर वेंट टू गुवाहाटी do promotions. We went to Kamakhya Mandir together.
Correct.
We had that Assamese thali,
Homiya
food thali.
Correct.
And then Nehru Center में screening थी. You
correct.
and I went with your mom, auntie के साथ.
I don't know how Ma watched it, but anyway.
And I was crying because there was an emotional connect, and you suddenly see, somebody who's like your sister or your friend, and she is being, you forget
Going
that
through
there is
all
a character
that.
going. Because that
Correct.
was the first time somebody close to me was being
Now I
projected on
remember.
the screen. Yeah.
No.
And you were laughing. Okay.
No, I think I remember. I think I told you that. अरे ये तो चरित्र. Something like that. Either you or I told one of my school teachers. I don't remember.
Correct.
So yeah. So Lakshmi was. I was happy. I'm privileged that it came by me, because it introduced me to some really strong women, and I had no idea of what strong women were before I actually met these women. So what happens is grounds you so much. It's ridiculous. That was one of the. I think Lakshmi के लिए मुझे कोई पैसे नहीं मिले थे. I did it for you know that.
Yeah.
And you were very frustrated. सारे shows चारे नहीं करो, झगड़ा भी हुआ था उसको लेके भी हुआ था कितना. But that experience taught me things that otherwise it was impossible for me to learn. It made me respect women, understand what strength is, learn how to be strong. The big journey began there. I was very young still. Yeah, Lakshmi was quite special.